Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can get What Do You Meme on TikTok. So basically you will need to use Instagram for that, and I will show step by step how you can do that, because there is on TikTok What Do You Meme, but is a little bit different than the trending one. So first what you need to do here is to go on Instagram and then press on search button and just write on the search What Do You Meme and select the option with a check mark, right? So this one, and then press on little emoji that is below above the posts here, and the first option will be What Do You Meme. So if we try this right now, so what you need to do here, tap and hold to record button to start. So as you can see here, and it's working perfectly fine. So let's wait and make a quick video here. Yeah, and then once you made a video on Instagram, press on little save button that is on the top. So press on it and it will save the video to your camera roll. So the next step what you need to do here is to go on TikTok and upload a video. So press on plus icon, press upload, select more photos, and then select the video, press done, press next. And as you can see here now, it's uploading. Press select and let's go back, press next, and you can trim it, add filters, whatever you want, but let's do this. Press next here and let's post it. All right, and as you can see here, I just posted What Do You Meme on TikTok. So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.